We hope with this program to help these students as they're in law school or beginning law school have a greater appreciation for the importance of the U.S. Constitution, and particularly the way in which President Oaks has magnified inspired principles of the Constitution, that they understand those, that they understand what that means, that they be willing to have it shape their study and practice of law.
Throughout this conference, I have been so inspired by the hope that the Constitution provides.
I was expecting it to be informative, but I've been surprised on how inspiring it has been on me.
I think the biggest thing that stood out to me is knowing that I can support the principles of the Constitution no matter what route in my career I go. I don't have to be a constitutional scholar or even necessarily go into litigation to still support the divinely inspired principles of the Constitution.
I think that right now it feels like kind of a dark time in our country and there's a lot of division and polarization, but this conference has really shown me that there are principles in the Constitution, and the structure of the Constitution also provides a place for us to come together as a society and to heal some of the wounds that we're experiencing.
I've been able to learn the importance of my duty in promoting civic charity in my local community and my community overall.
This has been a phenomenal seminar, mostly because of the incredible academics that have been here teaching us about the Constitution, and that it really is something worth fighting for and something to defend. We have so much to be happy for when it comes to our Constitution and to be proud of.
Moving forward, I have a stronger motivation to stand up for the principles of the Constitution, to better engage in public discourse, to understand the viewpoints of other people, and to stand up and defend for the principles that this Constitution was founded on.